So in addition to our hoodies, I decided to make a teddy bear. So meet Fever Fighter Teddy Bear. All right, I'm going to go show Tabo and see what his first reaction to the teddy bear is going to be. All right, so let's see. Just head downstairs. Tabo, come see. Tabo, come and see this. Okay.
Teddy bear superhero.
Teddy bear superhero. What do you think?
Teddy bear is you.
Do you like it?
Like that.
You like it. What is it? Is it the Fever Fighter teddy bear?
You just like that teddy bear?
You like it?
Like that.
You want to give it a kiss? A hug? Give it a hug. Aww. Say thank you.
Thank you, teddy bear.
Oh, okay. Alrighty. So how I made this St. Jude Fever Fighter Joyful Teddy Bear. I downloaded the sewing pattern off of How Joyful, I think that's the website, I can't remember. But yeah, the name of the teddy bear is How Joyful Bear. And so I had downloaded this years ago with the hopes of trying to make a bear. And I figured this would be the perfect time to use this sewing pattern. And the reason why I chose this project for this Fever Fighter fabric from St. Jude was I wanted something to last. So clothing, Tabo would obviously outgrow the clothing that he has, but for this bear, it's something that he can definitely have for life. So yep, I just went ahead and cut out all the pattern pieces, and I referred back to their website for the instructions. I don't know if I downloaded the instructions, but I couldn't find where they were, so I had to follow along on their website. It does mention that this is not a beginner's tutorial or a beginner's project. So it it did get a little bit frustrating, but that's because I wasn't following the instructions. So anyways, I put the pieces all together. I pretty much followed the numbers. So the pattern pieces have numbers, and I connected each of the numbers where they were supposed to be. I kind of went in the opposite direction of how the instructions were going, because listen, I struggle with following instructions, so I was just making it work. So after I finished sewing everything, this is what the teddy bear looked like, and I added some, I think this is called polyfill. It's used for pillows, not bears, but toys, or yeah, stuff like that. Anyways, so I filled that with the polyfill, but I also didn't want to waste the fabric that I had received, and so I actually used some of the scraps to fill the teddy bear. So these are the scraps from the scrap fabric from the Fever Fighter fabric and the sweatshirts. And this is the final look of the teddy bear. How did I do? Oh yeah, sharing the phone with the teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Oh wow. You like the teddy bear?
Like teddy bear.
Yes. Superhero teddy bear, you said?
That's the hero Duchess.
Oh, superhero Duchess. I thought Duchess was in timeout. Is she in timeout? No.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. You're showing. A hug? Give it a hug. Say thank you.
Thank you, teddy bear.
Oh, okay. Alrighty.
Did you speak?
Yeah.